Join me. And have you tried to wear them with glasses? Forget about it. It's like trying to put a square peg in a round hole. I've also had some issues with the ear cushions. They're just not that comfortable. They feel a bit stiff, and they don't conform to your ear very well. The pivotal moment for me came when I was editing a video and I realized that the sound quality just wasn't good enough. I was hearing things that I shouldn't have been hearing, and it was really detracting from my overall experience. That's when I realized that these headphones just weren't worth the money. I could get better sound quality from other headphones that cost half the price. And the comfort issues, they were just the final nail in the coffin. In conclusion, the Apple AirPods Max just didn't meet my expectations. The comfort was a major issue, the sound quality was lacking, and the battery life was just okay. For the price, I expected way more. If you're considering buying these headphones, I would say think twice. There are better options out there that won't break the bank. Thanks for watching, and if you have any experience with the Apple AirPods Max, I'd love to hear about it in the comments below. And if you want to check out some other headphones that I've reviewed, be sure to check out the video I linked in the description box. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content, and I'll catch you in the next video.